customers start to emerge from isolation of COVID-19, they don't just want things to go back to normal. When it comes to buying baked goods, they're craving new special experiences. Shoppers are hoping for a warm welcome back to their local bakeries. They want to feel immersed in different cultures, or they may want to post on Instagram that they're celebrating their return to in-person shopping. In short, they want to have fun rather than reverting back to their old shopping routine. So what can bakers do to attract these customers and provide indulgent experiences? Consider offering some nostalgic ambiance, or maybe offering comfort foods, or by displaying recipes that come with stories. Expect more demand for experimental items like multicultural baked goods, specialty cheeses, and savory spices. Make sure retail space is Instagram worthy with beautiful goods on full display. And one pandemic trend that isn't going away is small, quick, on-the-go treats. Whether savory or sweet, customers are still craving that kind of convenience. Thanks for watching Fresh Perspective Food News. Stay up to date with the latest food news by signing up at thebakerstake.com.